Rocco the cat had a magical compass that led him to hidden treasures. One night, the compass guided him to a mysterious cave filled with sparkling jewels. But he wasn't alone. A small dragon was guarding the treasure. Instead of fighting, Rocco offered the dragon some milk and they became friends. From that day on, Rocco and the dragon searched for treasures together, adventuring to new places every day. And so they lived happily, with many more adventures to come. Every day was filled with laughter and fun as they explored the world together,